Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a new monthly subscription box or service that I discovered. But before we get started though, if you're not yet part of our TSQUAD family, you would like to join, don't forget to subscribe in the link down below. It's free. Subscribe, become part of the fam. And with that being said, if you want me to continue to review monthly subscription boxes or like bags like the Ipsy Glam bag or BoxyCharm or any new one that I discover, don't forget to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Alright guys, so this is what this one looks like. It reminds me a lot of the Ipsy Glam bag in the sense of the packaging. It just says yes, oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. You guys know that's like my word, you know what I mean? But yes, oh yes. So this is a monthly subscription. It does retail for $14.99 a month, and you do get 3 to 7 full-size beauty products. And what I love about monthly subscription boxes, you guys, is that you get to discover new makeup if you're just starting into makeup, or if you are super advanced in makeup. I feel like you get to discover a lot of new products that you get to try around. I am a fan of monthly subscription boxes. BoxyCharm is by far my favorite, and I'm so excited for this month's. Oh my gosh, like hello, the Alamar palette is in there, and I was going to be purchasing that palette the same day that they leaked the spoilers, so I'm happy. I'm so happy. But this one I've never tried. I was like, what is this? Yes, so yes. And I really wanted to like get into it and kind of like do my research. So I do have a link down below in case you guys want to try it out. If you use my link, you do get a discount. So if by the end of this video you want to check them out, or you want to get your first bag, you know, the June bag, and kind of, I don't know, experiment with it, you can always cancel it afterwards. But I do have a link so you guys can get a discount. So we are just going to go ahead and open this. I haven't had the chance to open it or anything, and there's several products in here, so I'm just going to take them out. Right, that's it. The first thing that I see inside the box is this Nomad La Habana La Playa. What is this? This is an intense eyeshadow. It's cruelty and vegan free, and it's from the brand Nomad Cosmetics Havana. I'm not sure if this yes oh yes subscription comes from Miami. It sounds like it by this product, but pretty cool, you know, sleek packaging. And then it comes in this cute what is this? Ooh. Whoa. Oh, it comes with a cute mirror, which hello, and then it comes with like a single eyeshadow. Kind of reminds me a little bit bigger of a pan than a Anastasia Beverly Hills shadow, a Makeup Geek, a ColourPop, or a MAC shadow. So it is bigger. This is the shadow up close so you guys can see the shade. It looks really, really nice actually. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch. Oh. Okay, this feels really, really creamy to the touch. Oh wow, yes, yes, yes. You know what this is calling? Wait a second, one second. This is calling my name as a actual highlight on the face and not so much of an eyeshadow. Let me see, let's put some on and kind of see. Oh, this is pigmented. I do have highlight already, but yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes, honey, come through. Okay, so I'm definitely going to be using this as an highlighter because it's a very intense and beautiful, and it kind of gives you, yeah, at the moment I saw this I was like, oh my gosh, it's like a pearly champagne gold, I don't know, it's like a white champagne kind of color. It is so beautiful, you guys. Look at my cheekbones though. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, you guys are definitely going to be seeing this more often here on my channel, but as a actual highlight, because this just took this shit to a whole nother level. So this is the first product. They didn't really send out like a little card slip so I can tell you guys how much these products are or anything like that, which kind of sucks, but I guess, right? I guess we're just gonna keep going with flow. The thing that I find here is this sans and paraben free Lauder Cosmetics lip pencil, and you guys know that I love lip pencils. I actually always line my lips. Ooh, I like this color. It's like a very nude kind of color. I don't know why every time I open like a new makeup product, like I want to try it out, like it's crazy. But okay, this pencil is very pigmented and it's not creamy. It is not creamy at all. So it's this shade right here, very like a peachy kind of color. I like it. I don't know how it's going to apply, so I'm definitely going to be using these products in my tutorials. You guys know that every time I do like an unboxing or a haul video, I always end up using the products on camera so you guys can see how they perform, because I feel like finger swatches just don't do justice. So that is that. I really like that. Next thing that came in the box is this pencil. This is the charcoal pencil number 10 by, oh, this is a smear proof eyeliner. Oh, I hate when they have like this wrapping thing all over them. You guys. Okay, there we go. It's a really nice pencil actually. Let me see the color. Oh, this is very creamy, and I'm curious to see if it is going to last long on my waterline, because it does say smear proof, like it's not going to smear all over. That's what it's giving me, the, you know, the thing. But it is very creamy, so like how does that work? It's like a charcoal color. It's like a gray in between, like a gray and a black kind of color. I really like it. Okay, so far I'm liking these 3 products. So far so good. Next thing is the Estee Do Me Baked Highlighter Powder. I know nothing about any of these brands. It's crazy. Do you guys know any of these brands? Like, where are they from? So this is what this one looks like. Very cute, very unicorny like, you know, it's giving me like unicorn vibes. And then when you open it, it's like you know what this is? Oh, this is very soft. I thought it was gonna be like chunky and hard like the Elf ones. Oh, nice. Oh wow. Oh, nice. I thought I was not going to like this because of the color. I'm not gonna wear another highlighter on my face, but this is a beautiful color. It has like, it looks purple. It looks purpley pink on the pan, but it doesn't look purpley pink on my hand. It has like an iridescent kind of silver in there. It has a pink in there. This is a beautiful highlighter. And you know who I think would look gorgeous in this highlighter? A darker complexion. A darker complexion will definitely rock this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Yes. For my dark skinned girls out there, y'all need this highlighter in your life. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful. Although this one I think will suit any skin tone. I feel like darker complexions will look beautiful with this highlight, because definitely on me you can definitely like see it, you know, like in there. But a darker complexion or a tanner complexion, it's gonna look beautiful. Yes. Okay, I like this. I thought I was not going to like this, but it doesn't look glittery. And then the last thing that I got inside this box is this Cosmoholic by Giuliano. It's a lipstick, and it has a mirror in the back, which, hello, it's rare when you find lipsticks with mirrors. Oh shit. Do you guys see that? It has lights. Oh my gosh, it has lights inside the cap. What the fuck? Oh, it has lights inside the cap so that when you're applying it, it gives you like light and you're able to see. Oh my gosh, that is genius. I have never seen this. But like, are these like battery? Like, what the hell? Is this gonna like run out? Oh my gosh, you guys, I am surprised. Okay, this feels very glossy. So it's like a very tinted gloss, and the color is a very like a terracotta color. There we go. It's like a terracotta orange. Yeah, it's like a terracotta orange. Very glossy lip. I don't find this to be drying, and it's sticky, so I like my lip glosses to be sticky, so I think I am going to be enjoying this, although I am not a gloss person. Keep that in mind. I hate gloss. I don't like it. Hello. But if it's something like this that's really sticky and it's going to like stick there, if I have a bun, I feel like it'll look nice. So that I'm really liking. So I really like this. Hello, Cosmoholic. See, I knew nothing about this brand, and it has a freaking light. Alright guys, so those were all the products in this month's baggie, and these are actually May's products. So May, June, yeah, I know it's already June, but these are May's products, so I don't know what's going to be in the June bag. Let me know if you want me to continue to do these unboxings, maybe with BoxyCharm, Ipsy Glam bag, or this one. If you want to continue to see this one, let me know and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about this yes oh yes subscription, and are you going to pick it up? And if you do pick it up, don't forget to use the link and get yourself a little discount. And with that being said, guys, I will catch you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.